Pickleball is exploding in popularity, and if you're ready to step up your game, the right paddle can make all the difference. Whether you're a weekend warrior or training for tournaments, we've got you covered. Here are the top 5 best pickleball paddles ranked from solid contenders to ultimate game changers. Let's get into it. Number 5. Fanovae Pickleball Paddle Set. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Fanovae Pickleball Paddle Set, a perfect launchpad for new players entering the thrilling world of pickleball. USAPA approved for tournament play, this set pairs performance with accessibility. With a fiberglass face and polymer honeycomb core, each paddle delivers a balanced blend of power, control, and spin. The wide paddle surface offers a generous sweet spot, making your shots feel smooth and effortless even if you're just getting started. Weighing only 7.8 ounces, it's ultra light and easy to maneuver. Plus, the perforated, sweat-resistant grip ensures long-lasting comfort during extended rallies. The set includes 2 paddles, 4 pickleballs, and a handy carrying bag, everything you need to hit the court running. For beginners and casual players alike, Fanovae delivers confidence, quality, and fun in one complete package. Number 4. Fanovae Pickleball Paddles. Coming in at number 4 is the Fanovae Pickleball Paddle Set, an outstanding option for players who want high performance without the premium price tag. USAPA approved and available in either fiberglass or carbon fiber, these paddles let you choose between explosive power or refined control. Weighing just under 8 ounces, they strike a sweet spot between speed and strength. The cushioned 4.57-inch grip is ergonomic, sweat-absorbing, and fatigue-reducing, ideal for long sessions on the court. Each set includes 2 paddles, 4 pickleballs, grip tapes, and a sleek carry bag. But the real highlight? Fanovae's advanced options, the Powermax 3D, with rugged carbon fiber for maximum pop, and the Powermax 7i, engineered for finesse and control. Whether you're gifting or gearing up yourself, this set is built to elevate your game without emptying your wallet. Number 3. Garai Pickleball Paddle Set. At number 3, we've got the Garai WL01 Pickleball Paddle Set, built for players who demand both resilience and results. Featuring a carbon fiber face and a thickened polypropylene honeycomb core, this paddle offers exceptional power, vibration control, and shot stability. The 0.69-inch core enhances bounce and reduces arm strain, while the lightweight 7.7 to 8.0 ounces frame makes it easy to react quickly in high-speed play. You'll appreciate the soft, sweat-absorbing 4.57-inch grip that provides a steady hold during those make-or-break moments. The set includes 2 pro-grade paddles, 6 outdoor balls, 4 grip tapes, and a large carrying bag with room for all your gear. With a 2-year warranty and serious attention to design, Garai helps you play harder, longer, and smarter. Number 2. TENVINA Pickleball Paddle. In the runner-up spot is the TENVINA Pickleball Paddle, a technological masterpiece tailored for players who want complete control. With a sleek T700SC carbon fiber surface, this paddle maximizes spin and power while keeping things light and responsive. The textured finish creates more friction for deadly precision and crazy good spin potential. At the core is the honeycomb structure that expands the sweet spot and delivers a smooth, well-balanced feel. You can choose between 13mm for quicker swings or 16mm for added cushioning and power, with designs ranging from the elongated thrust to the defensive poise model. The ergonomic grip, wrapped in sweat-resistant synthetic leather, provides a secure, fatigue-free hold. It's stylish, professional, and fully USAPA approved. Bottom line, TENVINA doesn't just raise your performance, it redefines it. Number 1. PUELEFU Carbon Fiber Pickleball Paddle. And taking the number 1 spot is the PUELEFU T700 Carbon Fiber Pickleball Paddle, a true beast built for domination. This paddle is crafted with a premium textured carbon fiber face that gives unmatched control, spin, and pop with every stroke. Its 16mm polypropylene honeycomb core is engineered for maximum energy absorption, reducing vibration and giving your shots more consistency and confidence. Thanks to thermo-molding construction, the paddle boasts seamless durability and top-tier responsiveness. The anti-slip, ribbed grip ensures all-day comfort, while the aerodynamic shape helps you move faster and strike sharper. It's USAPA approved, tournament ready, and comes in a beautifully packaged set including the paddle bag, grip tape, eraser, and even a collectible mini paddle. Whether you're competing or climbing the ranks, PUELEFU is the paddle that serious players swear by. And there you have it, the top 5 best pickleball paddles to elevate your game, no matter your level. Which one's calling your name? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell for more gear guides from Product Picks. See you on the court!